little artists! Today, get ready to climb to new artistic heights as we draw rainbow-colored 3D stairs. Are you excited to add some vibrant colors to your artwork? Let's get started! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your trusty black marker and scale, and let's begin our artistic ascent. Start by drawing the stairs step by step, beginning from the top and working our way down. Imagine each step leading to a world of creativity and fun. Let's draw a total of 3 stairs, each one more colorful than the last. Stairs are complete. Let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. This will give our stairs a defined and polished look, ready to showcase our rainbow of colors. And now, it's time to add some vibrant hues to our 3D stairs. Grab your color pens and let's start coloring. Indigo, green, purple, bottle green, blue, red, orange, yellow. Let's bring our stairs to life by starting with the red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. There you have it, a colorful staircase to new artistic heights. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more creative adventures, and share your fantastic artwork in the comments below. Hello, little artists! What's on the menu? Cute drinks, of course! Are you ready for a delightful art session? Grab your pencils because we're about to embark on a journey to draw the cutest drinks ever. Let's sketch and create some adorable sips together. Imagine your favorite refreshing drink. Now, let's bring it to life. Start with a cup shape and add a playful straw. Let's add a dash of personality to our drink. Draw cute eyes and a friendly mouth, because even our drinks love to smile. And now, let's make our cute drinks stand out even more. Grab your black marker and make those outlines bold and sharp. Now, it's time to add a burst of color to our delightful drinks. Are you ready to name some refreshing hues? Green color. Orange color. Blue color. Pink color. Yellow color. Red color. Our cute drinks are ready to quench your artistic thirst. I'm so impressed by your creativity. Remember, keep exploring and sharing your fantastic artwork with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.